Thinking about installing a sliding gate for your Sydney home? From Bondi to Bronte, more homeowners are choosing sliding gates for their security, convenience and modern look. In this video, we'll break down the costs, benefits and how to choose the right one for your property. Unlike traditional swinging gates, sliding gates move horizontally along a track. This makes them ideal for properties with limited space or sloped driveways, which are common in areas like Vaucluse and Rose Bay. Here's why sliding gates are so popular across Sydney's eastern suburbs. They save space, perfect for tighter driveways in Coogee and Clovelly. They offer strong security and are harder to force open. They work well on sloped blocks. Aluminium options resist rust, ideal for coastal homes. And they add a sleek, modern look to your property. So, how much do sliding gates cost in Sydney? Manual sliding gates typically range from $4,000 to $4,500. Automatic sliding gates can range from $6,000 to $10,000 or more. Costs depend on materials, size, automation and your site conditions. There are two main types to consider: track sliding gates which run along a ground track and are more affordable. Automatic sliding gates operated via remote, keypad or smartphone for extra convenience. When choosing a sliding gate, keep these in mind. Measure your available space. Consider coastal conditions, especially in Bondi and Coogee. Decide if automation is right for you. Match the design to your home. And invest in quality materials for long-term durability. Avoid these common mistakes: choosing the cheapest option, ignoring site conditions, not allowing enough space for the gate to slide, and skipping professional installation. Sliding gates are a smart investment for Sydney homes, offering security, style and practicality. If you're in Sydney's eastern suburbs, Aluminium Fencing Sydney can help you choose and install the perfect sliding gate. Get in touch today for a free quote and expert advice. And don't forget to like, subscribe and follow our channel for more home improvement tips.